Hello there and welcome to Fairyland Cottage, and thanks very much for joining me here today. It's nearly coming to the end of January, so I thought it's a nice time to dust away all the cobwebs. I hibernate a lot in the winter time, and now it's nearly spring. It's time to start moving. Once January takes hold, I know it's time to say goodbye to all the cobwebs. The barn spiders, little houses where they are no more. Cleaning off those ledges that you know no one will ever see, the top of cupboards. Yet they'll be covered with dust. Anyone that has log fires will know how much dust is created. And so a simple cleaning of a mirror so that we can see clearly. And while doing it, it's like you have this feeling that you're grateful for having a roof over your head. And like the way we give ourselves some self-care, you're giving your home self-care. And even though it seems so insignificant, the dust on the top of pictures, it's worthwhile. And your home will definitely thank you for it. The whole feeling of the house will change. And it doesn't have to be a clean where you're doing everything in your house. You can just pick something specific. I picked the cobwebs. That then in turn created loads of dust everywhere else. So I decided winter is nearly over, so to give the place a nice fresh up before spring arrives. Never missing an opportunity to put on a wash load. And I've loads of different videos on cleaning. I'll leave those links down below if you want a little bit more inspiration. We have so many logs, so the dust just piles up. So little you need to be able to just have a really nice clean home. Opening the windows while you're cleaning, allowing the fresh air in, burning some incense or a nice candle, really thanking your home. It doesn't have to be a chore. It can be something that you're so grateful that you're able to do. I'll usually just mop, but every so often I like to give it a really thorough steam. And I put a few drops of essential oil just to give a nice aroma. Like you'd give your face a nice steam, you're giving your home a nice steam. And it's very satisfying seeing the floor go from dirty to clean. Living in the countryside has so much muck and dirt bringing from the outside in. It just needs a little bit more TLC. The bottoms of the chairs are getting a little bit of extra treatment today. So I choose to think of it in a way that I'm refreshing the whole house after the hibernation of winter. Spring is nearly on its way, and I'm getting it nice and fresh for spring to begin. So I really hope that this has given some little bit of inspiration to give your home a little bit of TLC at this time in January. And remember always to stop and have a cup of tea and give yourself a little rest. So thank you for watching. Chat to you in the comments as always or on Instagram. Have a wonderful week and I'll see you in the next video.